is anxious ADD. So all of the ADD symptoms, short attention span, distractibility, restlessness, problems with organization, plus they feel anxious, tense, nervous, and this is one of the most common types. And what we need to do is calm down the anxiety. So we do it with magnesium or GABA or theanine. Theanine is one of my favorite supplements. And then a little bit of a stimulating supplement like L-tyrosine or green tea extract or a stimulant. And that combination can just be so incredibly helpful. I hope this series has been helpful to you. You can learn way more about it in my book, Healing ADD.